My biggest fear when I was pregnant was to not feel any movement, not feel the baby inside. Just not knowing. Not knowing is the worst fear. And this is the reason why I bought Pulsenmore. Just to be quiet, just to know everything. It saved my life. It saves Ella.
Pulsenmore is making home ultrasound universally accessible by enabling pregnant women to scan themselves in the comfort of their home and deliver high-resolution imaging to their healthcare providers to review the scans no matter where they are.
It was after midnight. My wife shaked me. She said, "Your sister-in-law doesn't feel the fetus, what she has to do." At that moment, I told her, how about she drink a cappuccino with 10 spoons of sugar? It took about 3 or 4 hours and she shook me again. She said, nothing happened. What she needs to do? I said, she needs to take a cab and urgently to go to emergency department. In the morning, my wife said, you did so complicated products, you develop so interesting technologies. How it's possible you cannot develop something really simple so a pregnant woman can see what is the well-being of the fetus? And I was thinking at that time that it is possible to attach the ultrasound to the mobile phone, but in a very simple way. This is how it started, actually. I went to the Innovation Authority and they have excellent questions. And I had to convince them that what we have is disruptive, it's innovative. Without the Innovation Authority, it wouldn't happen.
Towards the end of the pregnancy, there was one day that I didn't feel it like usually. I did the scan with Pulsenmore. There was the doctor that checked my scans. He told me that I had a low amniotic fluid. So I went to the ER for a checkup, but when the doctor examined me, he said that it's true. Half an hour, the water broke, and 15 minutes, Ella was out. If I wouldn't have done the scan, everything could have happened. And we are in luck.
I think that the most rewarding fact is that you save a family.
Yeah. Our solution actually transformed the pregnancy experience for those plenty of women because it not only alleviates their concerns throughout the pregnancy, but it also helped to save families.
Are we proud? We save about 97% of the visits to the ER. GE invested $50 million. We have distribution in US, Europe, and Japan. So should I be proud? Absolutely.